What's happening, y'all? I'm back with another video. Today's video showing y'all how to disconnect the alternator. First thing first, you gotta disconnect the battery. That's the first thing you gotta do. Next thing you know, so instead of trying to take this whole thing off, I just learned something new. I figured this out, y'all. So this gonna hit everybody out. If y'all own an Impala, just an Impala General. Instead of God damn, that boy hitting that motherfucker, ain't he? But anyway, y'all, it's a part that's made for our car that is gonna take like 4 to 6 weeks on him trying to get this thing off right here. It's gonna be a bitch, but check this out, y'all. Y'all see this little part right here? Y'all see that? All right, oh shit. Y'all see the top of it, right? Y'all see the top of it. Now look at that little part right there. All right, you can go to Walmart, O'Reilly's, and everything. Y'all get y'all one of these right here. I got the whole set, so it was like $20. I got the small, medium, and large. But get one of these and put your thing right here on top of it, right here, on top of it. And press against it like that. If you strong enough, well, it pretty much ain't that goddamn like serious, but you just press down on it. If I don't kill my goddamn self trying to show y'all, but y'all get the picture. Look, just watch this. See how I go down? And there you go. Then once you get that off, then you can get the alternator off. So the alternator is 15mm sockets. These right here, 15mm. And you can use a ratchet to get that off. The back one's gonna be a little bit tough, but when you unscrewing it, just say for instance, if you got it, you go this way. The back ones, you gotta go this way. But the top ones, you go this way. So that's crazy. So yeah, that's how you get your alternator off. Peace out, y'all.